time to build a gate. All right, well, we have been living with 2 posts and a chain going across the driveway now for, I don't know, 6 or 7 months. Definitely since the start of construction. And we've got to build some columns to support our gate. Can't wait for you to see this gate. It's gonna be really cool. You're gonna like it. For now, what we gotta do is we gotta dig out and pour some footings behind me here. And on the other side, we've run a conduit underneath. If you remember in a past episode, we're gonna get started on digging, and then we're gonna pour some concrete. We're also gonna set our posts in there. The posts are gonna anchor to the big columns. Now, they're gonna be 3 foot by 3 foot, and they're gonna be rock columns like the front of the house, they're rock. So we will get probably 8 to 10 inches thick on the foundation. We actually are using steel posts that are going to be kind of embedded in the back corner of each one of the columns. We're going to get started on that now. Alright guys, so we got the base all dug out to the depth that we want. Next I'm going to set in the metal poles. I want to make sure that I'm setting them at the right height. So we're going to put it in. If I feel like it's the right height, we are going to backfill with concrete, and then we're going to run a line level across to the other side and start excavating the other side. Pouring the other side, put the post in, everything's level, everything's perfect. This one cured overnight. So the next thing we're gonna do is start building the columns. Good morning. We are going to wrap up the columns for the gate today. Juan is out there right now. Juan's the same guy that did the columns on the front of the house, so I know it's gonna be a great job. Let's go up there and see how it's going. Okay, well, they got the block set up on both sides. As you can see, they're gonna start to stone them now. If you notice that they're gonna put lines that drop down on each side of them, because they're gonna make it all perfectly level, straight, plumb, whatever you wanna say. True professionals here. Well, day 2 of the columns. Well, one wrapped up the columns. They look awesome. I'm really happy. The next thing is to put our gate on. I got to build that first. That'll be another video. He also built us a mailbox. I'm excited about that. I hated our little mailbox on a post. It didn't look good, but now it matches our other columns. We've got a little bit of cleanup to do here on the front. We've got some planting again at the front that we're gonna have to do. We're gonna build that gate. We're gonna show you that in another video, and we're gonna install the gate opener from Ghost Controls, and that'll be coming soon.